Why are orange tabbies usually male? Hi there, cat lovers! Welcome back to Cats Know-How, where we unravel the mysteries of our feline friends. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating topic. Have you ever wondered why most orange tabby cats are male? It's not just a random coincidence. It's all about genetics and a touch of nature's wonder. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this happens and learn some surprising facts about these lovable orange furballs. Let's get started by understanding what a tabby really is. Many people think tabby refers to a breed, but that's not the case. Tabby is a coat pattern, not a specific type of cat. Cats with tabby patterns can come in a range of colors: brown, gray, cream, and of course, orange. The tabby pattern is incredibly common and is seen in both domestic and wild cats, like tigers and leopards. What makes orange tabbies stand out is their bright, warm coat. This striking color comes from a pigment called pheomelanin. Interestingly, this same pigment is also responsible for red hair in humans. So, you could say orange tabbies are the redheads of the cat world. But what controls this orange hue? It all comes down to a gene called the O gene, which stands for orange. This gene is located on the X chromosome, one of the two sex chromosomes in cats. Here's where it gets really interesting. Male cats have one X and one Y chromosome. Female cats, on the other hand, have two X chromosomes. Because the orange gene is on the X chromosome, it works differently in males and females. Let's break it down step by step. For a male cat, things are pretty straightforward. He only has one X chromosome. If that X chromosome carries the orange gene, he'll be an orange tabby. Since there's no second X chromosome to interfere, the orange color will dominate. This is why it's much more common for male cats to be orange. For female cats, it's a little more complicated. They have two X chromosomes. To be an orange tabby, both X chromosomes need to carry the orange gene. If only one X chromosome has the orange gene, the other X can carry a gene for a different color, like black or brown. When this happens, the cat's coat will be a mix of orange and another color. That's why tortoiseshell and calico cats, which have those beautiful patches of orange, black, and white, are almost always female. This genetic setup means orange female tabbies are much rarer. For a female to be fully orange, she has to inherit the orange gene from both her parents. This doesn't happen very often, which is why only about 20% of orange tabbies are female. That's right, about 80% of orange tabbies are male. It's all thanks to the way the orange gene is passed down. Now that we've covered the genetics, let's take a closer look at the unique personality of orange tabbies. Many people believe these cats have their own special charm. They're often described as affectionate, friendly, and even a little mischievous. Owners of orange tabbies frequently report that their cats are more social and outgoing than other cats. Of course, every cat is unique. Personality can be influenced by many factors, including upbringing and environment. But it's interesting to think that there could be a connection between coat color and behavior. Some researchers have looked into whether a cat's color might be linked to its temperament. While the results aren't definitive, it's fun to imagine that orange tabbies might have a little extra sparkle in their personalities. What about their appearance? Let's talk about the iconic stripes. Tabby cats are famous for their striped or swirled patterns, and orange tabbies are no exception. There are four main tabby patterns. The first is the classic tabby, which has bold, swirling patterns that look almost like marble. Then there's the mackerel tabby, the most common type, with narrow stripes running down the sides like fish bones. Next is the spotted tabby, with spots instead of stripes. Finally, there's the ticked tabby, which has a more subtle pattern with flecks of color rather than stripes. Orange tabbies can have any of these patterns, making each one unique. But there's one feature that almost all tabby cats share: the M mark on their forehead. Have you noticed it before? The M is a signature trait of tabby cats, no matter their color. There are plenty of legends about how tabbies got their M. One popular story comes from Christian tradition. It's said that when baby Jesus was crying in the manger, a tabby cat came to comfort him. In gratitude, Mary blessed the cat, leaving her initial M on its forehead. Another tale says the M comes from the Prophet Muhammad, who loved cats and once rested his hand on a tabby's head. Whether you believe the legends or not, the M adds a touch of magic to these already enchanting cats. Now let's address a common question. Are all orange cats tabbies? The answer is no, but almost all of them are. The orange gene is closely linked to the tabby pattern. So while it's technically possible for an orange cat to have a solid coat, it's extremely rare. If you see an orange cat, chances are it's a tabby. Orange tabbies also tend to have golden or green eyes, which complement their fiery coats beautifully. It's no wonder they're so eye-catching. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the role orange tabbies have played in culture and media. These cats are often seen as friendly, lovable, and sometimes a bit comical. Think of Garfield, the lazy yet charming cartoon cat, or Morris, the famous advertising mascot for cat food. Both are orange tabbies, and they've helped cement the idea that these cats are full of personality. But orange tabbies aren't just stars in the media. They're also beloved pets in real life. Many people feel drawn to their warm, sunny coats and friendly demeanor. If you've ever owned an orange tabby, you probably understand the special bond they create. They have a way of winning hearts with their playful antics and loving nature. So, the next time you see an orange tabby, remember that you're looking at something truly special. It's not just their color that makes them unique. It's the fascinating genetics behind it, their charming personalities, and the stories they carry. Orange tabbies remind us of the incredible diversities in the feline world. From their vibrant coats to their distinct stripes, they're a perfect example of nature's artistry. If you've enjoyed learning about orange tabbies today, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Cats Know-How for more fun and fascinating feline facts. We'd also love to hear from you. Do you have an orange tabby at home? What's their personality like? Share your stories in the comments below. We can't wait to read them. Thank you for spending time with us today. Until next time, keep loving your furry friends and keep exploring the wonderful world of cats. See you soon!